kwesi insia commander 6 Carol said yes
Yemfana Asem ono obosro ne asase se ohyira ne ma ne bremu na opegya ne ma ebra enidaso eni ho ena de pasa achi biem nyame na ohwe so na juda so mo masem yensa nkonkoda komkwa ade pa chi enkwado bayi boafo ama ya boafo betimi ama yensa koya no ama ye bra ye bo ne be wie peo na asi yie nyagidie e bia me ka kiro bi se emre ne so a nipa ye ho hwe enye yie ti se no ba kwa wo so na wo chimu a eba doctor ne na so opia kwara so back to oba ne mu a emfa obompa ya de aka relax e hwe nyame ani monyam me de akwasensia asemi de kabre e na edus me ka se fiada ye nyina ye se share once again ewo the Accra Digital Center sectoral debate eseba wa kwam ye this time ye di kobo e de afa ya kwan ho oman Ghana akwan ya kwan ya kwantempon se na etie babia ote wa kwan etesei. So the late Professor Johnny Van Statabes John Dramani Mama administration 8 years akwan wodo se no mtimi ye oh ye bam na akwan wodo se na sabre na won wo so mtimi ye from 2017 to now akwan wodo se na Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration etimi ye akwan se no meto ye na se nkomo ye. Now moving forward into 2025, what is the actual plan of NPP NDC for Yakwan? So this is all about sectoral debate. Say ya netie. Ubun kunta de yekoye chichire baby be fa de free ye, baby de be wie ye. Na ye pem de akwa baby so ode beko. Wenye tobe wo kare nyina na pen ni paper eda ho ya ye cheke. Duba wada oba so te wonom. Tu ka asem na nya nkopa ni yi ya flag na bo say red and kosa na to red bang. That's what you draw. It's this Friday. Yes, ye share Adom, ye share contractors, ye share civil engineers. Omu wo e bi kakese pam so ka ho bi. Tie ba so. E wo ya kwan. No misa the technical questions. And famayen. E kwan be na ye fa so ye ya kwan e wo emem. The way na ye no e boa ye. Or so minor na toko so tini bottom sika e de ye akwan wo man mu ana. Eti issues ne doso Friday e wa Accra Digital Center ye nyina ye hia na ye ni enkomo. Alpamidu di enkomo tiawa na o man ye ne kwabda santene mpenfo e de pese mu atwaso. Nim so ya we say na Tuesday 17th of September 2024. And then that NDC Amikori Asha say all the 16 regions will be antin synchrome. The enyo ye chire kese fentia abatuo commission. Because we feel say the commission no eye no sinto ewo mu. Right. That is part of their constitutional right. Ya ogana no kwanya so betimi aye bia fa hudomu eye. But now no me no di nkomo bi e ka chire wo say let's not only see our state institutions as evil only when we are in opposition. Me kan masa ka to people say e mane so nkonkwo se bi o se amanyu mako so ye ade a ensem fata yenke ano fantum. But ame yankote woni de se amanyu mako ye papa anabone abra uni abamu. E na mane so nkonkwo ye se wodi ye kase de tie abanyu maku a eto na mo bia e na asori ejina because wo abamu e ba nye sa e ba sa enye omanyo ne. And then tends to be a self-seeking partisan governance and also more bia. It is a enena enya even when you are in opposition na so ba power na enya also timi sekire wo se na wo ka se ampa enura na enye ene so enye. But the power, everything is solid. uko position pe there be enye man papa no. I'm sure video be a former President John Dramani Mahama when he was calling on Amam Force Yenya Electoral Commission man in Yenajuma. You have another video be the next picture. Man penda that John Dramani Mahama na meka Asem enfanchero.
Continuously attack the Electoral Commission for reasons I can't understand. There's a time when we need to give the Electoral Commission peace to do its work, you know, and every little thing they are at the Electoral Commission and attacking the commission. Recently, brouhaha over a logo. I mean, how is a logo going to affect the quality of elections in this country? I don't think it's a discourse that is one that we should be splitting hairs on. Continuously attack the Electoral.
So, that is former President John Dramani Mahama. At that time as president, he believes also my Electoral Commission, no. The attacks near too much. But and then Penda Mahama in opposition is telling us, say, hit the street against the Electoral Commission. So what happens to your peace message? And I can say, my Electoral Commission peace. And if it's all 12 videos, so catch on say, state your position. Let you make the determination. Can one some Electoral Commission I can say more and decide no feel say to me about mine. But under the same John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, in opposition, was he hit the street. And you see the double size. And I'm going to say, "Ebanesao, so who cast me serious partner? I'm not for them funny serious so because that's all the na kwa yes media and yamenkwa Ebanesao so there and some fata." Now, and we have MPP in power telling us, say, stop attacking Yisi, stop attacking Yisi. In opposition 2016,
which comes on the 1st of December. There are many calls of people whose names, whether deliberately or not, have been omitted across the 10 regions. And it's beginning to up the tension in the system. The Christian Council of Ghana should not sit down and only be interested in people signing peace accord when those held and gifted with the responsibility to ensure a free, fair, transparent elections are derelict on their duties. Peace accords on paper on itself cannot provide us with a transparent election. What is sad for us in the MPP youth wing is what has been lost in the narrative. There's this whole peace industry in Ghana. Peace industry. But nobody is talking about the fairness, the transparency. It's not enough for the Electoral Commissioner to go to church and say she's praying, God gives us a leader. When some of the posture and utterances of the EC seems to suggest that they have a favorite.
So, the former national youth organizer of NPP, Sami Ehuku, now Director General at the National Lottery Authority. I want to say the double size coins in the etier. Is the market was a meaning in Chantroda. Omo opposition Masamonko, Omoba power Masamonko. And your man Chichreno. Omani and Chichenisa. Or maybe a quiet Chichin Sabia, some mine in Dache. Some mine in Dache. It is a bonny be a course so easier, MPP to me easy and moon country because MPP is in power. And the papa because so easier, and this in to me country because this is in opposition. The Kamfu is a day. The boy is a basway day. And your man children. A self-centered, selfish, parochial interest approach. You find your mind be Uye chitenia, a man in that damage one year, baby, or betting one sam and perifona cost the biasa. Because when you mean to be a shrimp, and the man can't say, yeah, me and you, near you, me a debut and yet there beer. The people cost on that new munis are no man cost them new to be beat because of 50 Ghana cedis. It is a wood demon penda that John Dramani Mamachi at Krumwa. Besides, say, I bring no power, cast your Electoral Commission, and bring no man, no person saying. ye na de waka che se ntisi krom ko yedede enye so be tan obi o me si anye ma ne sa ye de obu ni de be ka kire mpanimfo se ba bia mo de ye kɔ no ensem fata ye mfa ne kikire man in your capacity as a commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, what happened today? And interestingly, the issues that's the same issue. I'm quoting what you know. That was what some who was talking about. Almost in opposition, no more coin, and they are okay. Bashing NDC. For raising same concern, you are raising opposition. That was the same issue. Yeah, former President Mamaka said, "Yeah, electoral commission money na sumbiye fine adwuma." But obey your opposition leader there. O see tinsia bonteso. Eti pasa na ma omugidie wo ka asem a ye huru se ne yemfa ne mfa. Because ye huru no kore now, because ye huru the genuineness. No kore pe wo asem na wo ka ne mu. Amana kwa say sebi eye menkwam me see your minus are yanko baby ya. I was thinking it's like a former president Mama catching this staff was say yemma electoral commission nyedwuma ye state a case. Then this will still continue to work with the electoral commission. That's why Nana make us say semenka say enmekoni ye boni ayenke anontum. But you won't come back for because we demonize it, start McCoy. Because a sayer is a good generator. So, it didn't have questions of mine. Come down, Santina Pan for a cradle. I didn't pay more at was. Macro.